this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got another one from Yuan. This is their John's Taiwanese fried sauce noodles, and comes in a box. It's fancy. You get 2 servings in a box. Let's give it a go. Let's see. Got this right there. So you get 2 servings of it. We're going to make 1. Logically, there's only 1 of me here. So what do we do? I think it's 6 to 7 minutes, and then you need to boil this bag for 3. So what I'm gonna do is set it for 6.5 minutes. Oh, that wouldn't make sense to start it before I put the noodles in. I'm gonna drop in these noodles like so. Now the last ones, the noodles were there we go. With the last ones, the noodles were very thin in gauge. These are a little bit thicker. That's pretty cool. And it looks like, yeah, so when it gets down to being 3 minutes left, I'm going to throw in the big sachet here, and then let that sit for 3 minutes in the boiling water. Drain the noodles, add this in, stir it up, and then this goes on top. So we shall see. Like so. So, sorry. Anyways, what is going on? Not a whole heck of a lot right now. Just making noodles. Still raining. That doesn't seem to be changing anytime soon. It's, what is today? February 27th? Wow. And it's not a leap year. So I believe this is the next to last day of the month. That was quick. That was really, really quick. Yeah. Time is a flying lately. It kind of does that with the kids in school and craziness going on. But it's good. It is good. It is very good. So what shall I discuss? There's got to be something. People complaining about vertical chopsticks in the Ramen Junkies group, and just kind of complaining about a little bit about everything. Complaining about vegan food, complaining about chopsticks, complaining about rules. I don't know. It's like, I just don't know. And so in less than a month, the whole mask mandate is supposed to end. I won't be surprised if it ends sooner, because the CDC said that they were going that only 70% of places now really need to be wearing masks. I don't know. But then it also said, well, you know, if we need to mask up again, it's like, oh, then don't tell people to take their masks off. You think people are going to want to do that again? I'm sorry, but people will be so resistant to that. I think people are just kind of resistant here to anything they can be, but I digress. I'm really looking forward to trying these noodles. Get it so all the goodness is at the bottom. A lot of sauce in here. I'm really interested in this. I tried a fried sauce one the other day. I didn't like it so much, but maybe this will be different. This one has meat in it. I don't know what kind of meat, but we'll find out. And then there will be another one of this brand that I'll do to finish out the set tomorrow. That will be, is it this one? Yes, this will be the beautiful hot and sour noodles. So I'm very curious about that. I like beautiful noodles. These are different noodles than the last one I did. These are a little bit thicker, a little bit wider, but not much. They're using Very light gauge. I think this is what you would consider guan miao. I'm not sure. Maybe they both would be. I think that depends on where they're from, also. But yeah, I don't know. New stuff, and that last one was just ooh, yeah, that last one was really good. So we'll see how this one fares. Now we got the timer in the right spot, so we'll put this in. Put it in. Yep, I put it in the right way. So in 2 minutes and so many seconds, we'll be good to go. And honestly, I put it in a little late, so yeah, I misread this thing. I really don't like this kitchen timer. And this is the one that I picked. We needed a new one. I was like, hey, let's get the one that lights up. Well, it lights up when you set the timer, and then it goes really dark. So I think I just need to go and get a new kitchen timer because I keep complaining about the kitchen timer in almost every episode of the show. So I need to do something. But yeah. Oh, so the other day I went to the thrift store and I got a hard drive, brought it home. It was an external one that worked and everything, blah, blah, blah. On Friday I went to the thrift store. There was a laptop and it said as is on it, and it was $10. Well, I brought it home. I was like, I don't have a power supply for it. We'll see what happens. Then I was just like, I took off the back. Oh, it's got an old hard drive. It's a Dell Inspiron 1521. It's like a gig of RAM. It runs Windows Vista. It's old, right? But it might be fun. Get it going, do some stuff with it, and let the kids play with it. Well, amazingly enough, the battery was fully charged. So I was able to turn it on and get into it, and that was a shock. But yeah, seems to be perfectly fine. $10 laptop, and the adapter for it should be here next week, and I think that was like another $11. So the power supply for it's going to cost more than the actual laptop itself. But yeah, thrift stores. Thrift stores are where it's at, I swear. I go to our local thrift store like so often that it's like they never get new stuff that I haven't seen. They had some neat stuff today though. They actually had a what do you call it? Some kind of lute, like a guitar with like a triangle shaped body on it, but like an acoustic. It was maybe like a balalaika. I don't know what it was. It was tempting, that's for sure. But yeah, I got enough musical instruments that I'm not currently engaged in playing. But let's do another 30 seconds. That should definitely get the sauce all done up in the way that it's supposed to be. So we'll do that. Con sauce. And it is now about, and it's done. Okay. So we've got this very boiling hot retort pouch. All right. Time to do some draining. Here's our noodle. Let's have a look-see. Cool, you can see that. I'm still kind of grasping at how to angle this thing because it's like a whole new setup here on Instant Noodle Recipe Time. All right, here is our fried sauce with meat. Ooh. Ooh. Ow. Ow. That's hot. All right. Ooh. That's very, very strong. Yeah, there's meat in there. So I'm going to try this before I add the other sachet on top. Here's, you can see, it looks like some meat. That might be tofu. I don't know. Cheers. Mmm. Piece of that meat. There are a couple things going on in there. Now let's try it with this special stuff on top. Savory smelling stuff. All right. Cooperate with it. There you go. All right, here we are. Cheers. Mmm. It adds a little heat. Ooh, got some heat. A slight bit of tartness. Interesting. I like this one too. Yeah, this is definitely, it's different. Oh, that's peppery too. Okay. I don't know that I'm going to do a whole heck of a lot to this one. Sorry that you're looking at the bottom of the pot. Come on. Yeah, I don't want to totally obstruct your view of the neat little meaty bits on top. I'm going to put some stuff alongside. Wow. Wow. It's very savory. There's so much going on in these varieties that I've tried thus far. I'm really, really enthused. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna do her up like that. All right. Lovely. Whoop, whoop, whoop. See, that's the thing. This new camera weighs a ton. Okay, can I zoom out? No, it's already zoomed out. Here we go. Well, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, that was excellent. Two for two so far that are really knocking it out of the ballpark. And now we got the third one coming. Next, you'll see the John's beautiful hot and sour noodles. Another one from the beautiful island of Taiwan. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.